completely washed, waterless washed the car. She's ready to go. Let's get a little cold start for the video. I'm tired, I just ran like a whole-on marathon. Rovos are clean and it's looking good. Before this video actually starts, I want to thank everyone for subscribing and whatnot, because this channel has blown up a lot since that video, and I gained so much support from you guys, so I really appreciate that. And we'll see you guys, and I'm gonna provide more content for you guys, like I said, so we'll see you soon. Joel 5.0. Mention your at.
Huh?
What's your at?
At Joel_5.0. You gotta scare all these Mustangs. Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's a 2011, 2012. Joel, you look like a bullet. Damn, that's a rip. Clean ass, could have been a clean bullet. That shit's wet.
See, man.
Oh, we're leaving. All right, let's go.
First gear.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Alright guys, so as you guys just watched, you know, my ears are kind of dying right now because this is too loud.
Yeah, mine are bleeding.
But, you know, we arrived at the HH Race House, and you know, this is going to be the new Dominic Toretto place.
Yeah, for real.
And we're going to let the Cobra, I mean, it's not even that.
Let the VTEC cool down.
I mean, we got those functional air vents that, you know, 2003 Cobra was ahead of its time. Unlike the GT ones or whatever.
The GT, oh, yeah.
There was a race with the Scatpack. This Cobra raced it, and
she did good.
You know, she did good for, you know, a little 4.6 supercharged. And all right, Well, we're gonna try and install the 2-step on the Cobra because, you know, I've been trying to get this no lift shift and spit some massive flames. Flick to a video of it right now. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace out, keep moving forward, TJ Hunt.
Whoa! We got a flame!